CBD is not just limited to oral use for internal health benefits. One of our favorite things about CBD is that it's also great for the skin, especially during these Canadian winters, which can be cold and very dry. Keep watching for some of my favorite CBD-infused skincare products, but before we dive in, make sure to click on the free resource I have for you in the links below. I love my CBD skincare products, and I really only shop at one place. Delush CBD products are made with love near Vancouver, BC. CBD is absorbed by our skin, so putting it into our skincare products helps us get even more of its goodness. CBD has antioxidant properties which will fight free radical damage, and there is even evidence that it may reduce wrinkles as well. Let me tell you about my favorite products from Delush. When I am worn out from a long day, I will often jump in the hot tub with a CBD bath bomb. This may be the most relaxed I have ever been. Sometimes it feels just a little bit sparkly in the water, and I'm not sure what causes that, but it's truly quite delightful. Now, whenever I have an ache or a pain, I reach for my Magic Stick. The Magic Stick looks like a giant chapstick, but it's for your skin. Within minutes, the cool pain relief begins easing deeply into the area. I've seen this used effectively on the neck for a headache, on the cheek for a toothache, on the abdomen for menstrual pains, and various other joint and soft tissue pain. One other product that I really like in these dry Canadian winters is called Merrimend, and this is not from Delush. This is from Stephen Health Agency out of Nova Scotia. It isn't CBD specific, but it is made with hemp seed oil. It's amazing on my dry skin. It has a fresh minty smell, and it even helps my aches and pains. If you've tried some of these products or have some of your own recommendations, we'd love to hear about it. Comment down below some of your favorite CBD skincare products, and before you click out of this video, don't forget to get your hands on those free resources in the link below. I hope you liked this list of products, and if so, please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel.